Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Have you ever found a product that meets and then exceeds your expectations? That's how I feel about this little device, my Apollo Wearable. This has become my daily companion to help me deal with stress, fatigue, even sleeplessness at night. The Apollo Wearable is a vagus nerve stimulator. What do you feel when you're wearing it? Tiny vibrations that come and go at different intensities and different rhythms. Now it comes with a very easy to use and fully adaptable app, so you can choose the vibes that work well for you. They come with different descriptions. You are provided with videos to help you understand the science behind the Apollo Wearable, as well as how to wear it, how to adjust the time, how to adjust the intensity, and all the different vibes that are available, so you can really adapt this to your particular needs. You can even create a schedule. So once you've set that schedule, the Apollo Wearable will turn on and turn off at the appropriate times. You don't even have to think about it. I find that extremely helpful for me because I can be very forgetful. It's very comfortable to wear. I wear it both on my wrist and on my ankle. I also use the clip it comes with for different clothing when I want to clip it to my clothing. I love the fact that it comes with all of the instructions, so you're able to know the exact way to wear it that gets you the best results. So it's not one size fits all, and I really feel like they answer all of your questions so you can get the most out of your Apollo Wearable. The more I use it and the more I wear it, the more reasons I find throughout the day to want to wear it. And that is my point of view.